Alright, I'm standing outside of a parking garage here in Reading, Pennsylvania. At least it's the core garage, but correct me if I'm wrong. And over here we have some modernized elevators to check out here. I believe these were Dovers originally, but these have been modernized with innovation buttons, and we have this one arrive first. Elevator number 2. Buttons are on the side, we're going to 6. Door close does not work, and here we go. Here on 6. Go back down to C. Door close does not work. The kind itself is pretty basic, but these are kind of interesting because one, the buttons are on the side, as you can see, and 2, these are glass, just like AR parking garage elevator here in downtown Reading. These are your innovation buttons. Capacity is 2,500. There's your floor indicators. This is elevator number 2. I believe Reading Elevator Services did the mod, I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, these were formerly Dovers. And here we're back at C. Now we'll go back up to 6 to get a view. Again, door close does not work. This time I watch the numbers going upstairs. And here we're back at 6. These are insanely high hydraulics. We're about to close up. Any day now. There it goes. I'm out here to get a quick view. Not sure what that building is. Either that building or that building is the Berks County Courthouse. Down there's a little park. Not sure what any of these buildings are called. And over here, there's a DoubleTree Hotel and the parking garage, and some other buildings here in downtown Reading. Alright, I guess we'll go back down the elevator. And here's your view from this window right here. Down there's like a little promenade or something like that. Alright, let's go back down. We got the same elevator we just came up in. Your interlocks, not sure those are original or not. Door tray looks to be original though. Right down to C. Again, like I said, door close does not work on any of these elevators. And let's look out the window going back down. And here we're back at C. Sorry it wasn't the best view because 1, the window was filled, and 2, it's nighttime. We're going to try to ride the other elevator. Sitting down here on C. I'm going to watch this one close up. Now we'll ride the left elevator. Listen to the motor. These things have very nice dry power motors. Anyways, here's the left car. Take out the 6. Somebody's coming, not gonna get it on the camera. And here we go. Listen to the motor on this one.
Floor 6.
And here we're back at 6. View is actually better out from this window in this car compared to the other one since it's a lot cleaner. Now we're back down to see what end the video. Let's watch the number going down. Right now I think these elevators are starting to become a bit busy since there's a Reading Royals game tonight. Reading Royals is a local hockey team. And it's not NHL, it's I believe AHL, which is American Hockey League.
Floor
And
C.
here we're back at C. This one talks. Let's see if we can send this one and we'll watch it go up. Here we get a good view. I'm gonna watch this car go up. And there it goes. There's people right there. I'm not gonna try to get them on the camera. So here goes that elevator going up. Like I said, these are insanely high hydraulic elevators. And alright, those were the elevators here at the Court Street Garage in Reading, and all I can say is now, that'll be it.